Zimbabwe is on edge as fears of a military coup escalate following the expulsion of Blessed Runesu Geza, a prominent war veteran and ZANU-PF Central Committee member from the ruling party. Geza's vocal criticism of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, accusing him of corruption, economic mismanagement, and betraying the liberation struggle, has sparked speculation of deepening divisions within the party and the possibility of military intervention. The decision to expel Geza was made after a crisis meeting of the ZANU-PF Politburo, marking a significant escalation in political tensions. Geza's expulsion has gained traction among disgruntled ZANU-PF members, including those within the military who are reportedly unhappy with Mnangagwa's governance. The timing of Geza's expulsion is noteworthy, coming barely a week after military tanks were spotted patrolling parts of Harare, raising fears of another coup. While the government claims the tanks were part of routine training exercises, sources within the security sector suggest growing unease within the armed forces of Mnangagwa's leadership. Patrick Chinamasa, ZANU-PF's Legal Affairs Secretary, confirmed Geza's expulsion, stating that the Politburo endorsed the recommendation from the National Disciplinary Committee to expel Geza with immediate effect.